Do you know how new branches like machine learning and data science comes into existence? It's because tremendous demand of artificial neural network across the range of industry. The power of artificial intelligence is now being used by us without our knowledge. But do you know that the first neuron was introduced just in year 1943? McClock and Pitts presented the first formal model of the neuron as an elementary computing technique in this year. Since then, a rising number of potential use cases for artificial neural network and algorithm have been published. The use of ANN has increased dramatically over the past 10 years. Although learning algorithm and data management are essential components of artificial neural network, research and development on them have advanced at such a rate that we now need to establish independent branches. These fields are now referred to as machine learning and data science respectively. This course is designed for those who want to learn the artificial neural network from the scratch. It does not matter which software you are familiar with or which branch you belong to. You will gain a foundational understanding of what an artificial neural network is and how it functions after taking this course. Once you master a fundamental, this course will teach you how to create artificial neural network with the help of MATLAB code as well as the MATLAB simulation. That means both the programming and simulation. Once it is finished, this course will assist you in developing an artificial neural network model quickly using MATLAB's tools and apps that are already inbuilt available. So this course would be really beneficial if you want to start with artificial neural network. After completing this course, even school students can also easily understand what an artificial neural network is and how it works. This course is extremely helpful for research scholars of various engineering branch who want to start with artificial neural network as an application. So if anyone is using MATLAB for simulation of power electronics and drive, simulation of power system or simulation of electric circuit, then this course will open new doors to explore artificial neural network and use it along with the MATLAB simulation. So why to wait any longer? Enroll in the course to start learning fundamentals of artificial neural network with the MATLAB.